Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and over the past few years, it has become increasingly clear to me that improving the health and function of your mitochondria is absolutely essential if you want to take control of your health. Why? Because mitochondria are the powerhouses of your cell that not only produce energy, but also generate powerful signaling molecules to help you optimize your health. Now, most of your cells, not all, but most, contain hundreds of mitochondria and some even more. And these mitochondria are little energy factories that supply the majority of your cellular energy, and which your body produces in the form of ATP. So your body breaks down these carbohydrates and fats, which are the fuel, into two tiny carbon molecules called acetyl-CoA. And these acetyl-CoA get into your mitochondria and passed along the electron transport chain where they're metabolized. And this process creates free radicals called reactive oxygen species, which can damage your body tissues if they are produced in excessive amounts. Fortunately, there's two simple strategies you can do to minimize this damage. And the first one you know about because I've been mentioning it so many times over the past few years. You want to train your body to become metabolically flexible and burn fat, not carbohydrates, as your primary fuel, because fat burns far cleaner and creates far less damaging free radicals. The other I only recently learned about, and that is to increase your melatonin levels in your mitochondria. Now, previously, we believed this important antioxidant was primarily produced in your pineal gland. But now we know that 95% of the melatonin is actually produced in your mitochondria. And the melatonin actually gets produced when your body is exposed to near-infrared radiation. And you get this for free, simply by exposing your bare skin to sunshine regularly without getting sunburned. In addition, this also increases two other important biological molecules, nitric oxide and the vitamin D levels into your cells. So those are two important strategies. But when you get past your 30, your body becomes less efficient at producing yet another vitally important mitochondrial antioxidant, which cannot be improved with diet or sun exposure. And that antioxidant is called ubiquinol, which is the reduced and active form of coenzyme Q10. And it is essential in the mitochondrial electron transport chain to reduce free radicals, ensuring your body receives the energy it needs for the healthy function of your heart, brain, muscles, kidney, and any other fuel-hungry tissue. Our ubiquinol formula contains ubiquinol as the active ingredient, which is the only genuine patented ubiquinol which is meticulously produced to protect against oxidation. Now, it's also made using an exclusive manufacturing process that utilizes biological fermentation to deliver a high-quality, stabilized, high-absorption formula for reliable support. And because dosing can be a bit tricky with ubiquinol, we offer a variety of different dosages, such as 100, 150, and 200 milligram capsules, as well as a 100 milligram convenient liquid spray to help meet your specific needs. So for example, based on my age and exercise level, I take 200 milligrams twice a day. Now remember that ubiquinol is a fat-soluble supplement, which means you take it with a meal that has some fat in it to help you absorb it better. So if you're looking to promote healthy mitochondrial function, and who wouldn't be, and you want to support your energy-hungry organs, reach for this bioavailable formula to help you take control of your health.